How to troubleshoot Apple Music low volume on iPhone. If you're experiencing low volume on Apple Music on your iPhone, then this video is for you. This video has some of the steps that you can use to fix your problem. The first step to solve this problem is simply open your control center and make your sound to max. Once you do that, the another step you need to follow is simply launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings, tap on sounds and haptics and make sure that your phone is not in silent mode. Once you check that, go back to your home page and search for Apple Music. If it is already open, then you have to clear it from the open section. Now, after doing that, launch your settings on your device again. From there, select General and then scroll down to the last. Then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then do Reset All Settings. After doing all of these steps, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.